Today we are going to discuss about how to call stored procedure using Entity Framework in Visual Studio. First of all, we need to add Entity Framework to your solution. I have already explained that in adding Entity Framework to Visual Studio in this article. Please go through this. Let's consider how to call stored procedure using Entity Framework. As you can see, here I have created an instance of the Entity Framework. Here it is obj, and using that instance I can call all the SPs inside database. Here I would explain two examples for calling stored procedures, one with parameter and one without parameter. Here on database side, on my database Technomark, I have two SPs, get data from SP and get data from SP with parameter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm adding these two SPs to my solution and calling these two SPs from code behind. Now on your solution, just right click on the edmux file. You can see update model from database. On add tab, you can see the section stored procedures and function. Just expand that. Inside that, you can see the list of stored procedures. Here I am selecting two SPs, get data from SP and get data from SP with parameter. Both are selected. Now click the finish button to add this SP to your solution. Yes, these two stored procedures are added to my solution. As you can see on my model browser, inside stored procedures, two SPs are listed. You should ensure that inside function imports also these two SPs were listed. Now on the code behind, just create the instance of the entity. Here it is obj, and using that obj or instance we can get the name of the SPs that are listed inside entity framework. Here you can see if I remove the dot, all the SPs will be listed. Get data from SP and get data from SP with parameter. Now let's run this application. As you can see, the breakpoint is hit. Let me press F10. Yes, created the entity instance. Now calling the stored procedure get data from SP. It is executed. Let's check the result. Inside var character, you can see there are two entries in the database. Let me consider in the database part also. Here on database side, if I take new query, just execute this get data from SP, you can see there are two results available. Now on the code behind, let me execute the second SP. Yes, it is executed. Let me check the result. As you can see, inside result there is only one entry with the name Alex. Let me check the database part also. If I execute the second query inside database, you can see the result is one row with name Alex, as we see how in the code behind. By this way, we can call stored procedures using Entity Framework. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please visit techmark.in for more information.